All right, in a CNN News 18 mega exclusive brought to us by Manoj Gupta, top government sources have said that NSA Ajit Doval's Canada visit and talks signaled a major India-Canada security reset, with Ottawa clearly distancing itself from violent extremist groups, agreeing to intelligence sharing, law enforcement coordination, and treating Khalistani-linked networks, narcotics, cyber threats, and anti-India activities as organized crime and public safety issues rather than political disputes. So this is the latest that we're bringing for you right now. For more on this, we have Akanksha Swaroop live with us. Akanksha, good morning. Thank you so much for joining me. How do you assess this, Akanksha?
Right. So we know that in the last couple of days, the NSA Ajit Doval had some very important meeting with his Canadian counterpart, Nathalie Doohan. And during that meeting, it's being said that they've now seen a clear and hard reset from political posturing in the law enforcement actions on anti-India activities that were seen under Trudeau's regime. But now, ever since Mark Carney has arrived, we are seeing a clear shift in the Canadian policy. Khalistani networks abroad are now framed as organized crime, not free speech, after this meeting that took place between the two NSAs. And the decision to post law enforcement liaison officers shows a shared recognition. NSA Doval also raised the issue of extremist funding, intimidation and propaganda, which is targeting India. He said they are increasingly linked to drug money, documents, frauds and coercion within the diaspora community. So the focus was also this time on narcotics. A strategic and intelligence assessment says all kind of drug profits for transnational groups is being misused. So agencies on both sides have coordinated cyber policy and data sharing, which is important because today's threat recruits, radicalize and fundraise online. There was also a meeting of NSA Doval with Gary Anandasangare, who is the public safety minister. It was also a display of clear political will from Canada and their readiness to resolve relations between both the countries. So Ottawa is also ready to accept the violent extremism that's been directed towards India from abroad. And for them, it's not just, they are acknowledging it's a diplomatic irritant, also a public safety issue. And India sees this as a major shift, treating Khalistani-linked violence and external attacks as a shared criminal security problem, not just a headache for India, which had been the case so far. And so for agencies on both sides, they've coordinated that and they've arrived upon a conclusion that criminals are exploiting immigration loopholes to move operatives or evade scrutiny after targeting India.
Right. Akanksha, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this, and thank you so much for your insights this morning.